Today, we're going to be unboxing the Maison Kitsuné Fox Head Zipped Card Holder. This wallet is my gateway into the world of Maison Kitsuné. I've always had an eye on this brand, but wanted to take a look and see how they treat their small leather goods before delving into their clothing lineup. The Kitsuné company was founded in 2002 and has tentpoles established in the realm of music, cafes, and of course fashion. Maison Kitsuné, being their fashion house, blends French and Japanese influence into their fashion-forward, ready-to-wear lineup. Café Kitsuné and Kitsuné Musique are their two other operations. Café Kitsuné, of course, representing their chain of cafes that sprawl across the world, and Kitsuné Musique being their record label. Now, let's open this up. And while we wait for the big reveal, please consider liking and subscribing. It's curious and kind viewers like you that make videos like this possible. And here is our first look at the wallet. It's a leather card holder featuring a metal insert of the iconic Maison Kitsuné fox head with 6 slots, 3 on either side for any card of your choosing, as well as a zipping center for additional business cards, keys, cash, and so forth. This one in particular came a little dusty out of the box, but nothing a little brushing wouldn't solve. Other than that, zero imperfections, discoloration, or damage to the leather and the wallet itself. As we just take a moment to look at the attached tags and overall look of the card holder, it's good to note that I picked this wallet up for $140 during the Maison's winter sale. Not too bad for a fine leather piece that could step into the ring with higher end products. This is 100% Italian leather after all. I appreciate that this is shipped with a protective cover over the fox head. With the amount of packaging material, it could be considered unnecessary, but with any item, it's about the initial unboxing experience, and this small detail makes the head and the card holder feel that much more special. Now, testing the zipper action. It's fluid and, as we'll discuss later, holds up great over time. Looking on the inside, we have a card. Pause if you want to read it, but it's basically saying that this is 100% genuine Italian leather and how to maintain the product. Now, looking back inside, we can see that this card holder is quite spacious. This segment is being recorded a month after daily driving this card holder, and it has become my favorite wallet thus far. Since I recently bought a Tesla, I wanted to cut back on needing to keep keys loose in my pocket or bag, and this was my solution for that. This wallet isn't too fat, even with keys, cash, and card inside of it, while still maintaining a healthy bulk. This zipper action is still healthy as well, with no catches. As you take cards in and out, minor stretch and fading will occur on the corner of the card pockets, but the hold is tight and I don't ever worry about them falling out. My previous daily driver, a Louis Vuitton bifold, always felt awkwardly bulky for my lifestyle. A bit too much cash or card in it, and your pockets soon look like they're about to explode. On the flip side, these minimalist, bridge-like wallets may be the complement to some people's wallet expectations, but I'll enjoy my Maison Kitsuné card holder for now. Thank you for watching.